Dubai has some of the most expensive real estate in the entire world, and I just spent 1 week at one of the most expensive apartments in all of Dubai. And it's called Address JBR. We stayed in a beautiful 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom unit with full sea views. Let's take a look at what $8,000 to $10,000 per month on a yearly rental contract gets you in Dubai. All right, guys, so welcome to Address JBR, one of the most premium places in Dubai, one of the nicest buildings for sure in Dubai as well, and one of the best locations for a condo in Dubai as well. So I'm gonna take you up there, but a little bit of information about this unit. It's definitely not on the cheaper side of things, but it is really nice. Half of it is residences and then half of it is hotel. The hotel has a really nice lobby. Actually, I'll show you that in a little bit as well. But yeah, let's go and check it out. Obviously, when you're on your way here, if you ever come here, you'll see there's a lot of nice cars. Today, there's not that many nice cars, and I'm not trying to sound like arrogant. There's literally a Ferrari there. It's nice, yes, but you'll see like Rolls Royce, Ferrari, like even Bugattis. Last time I was down here yesterday, I saw 2 Bugattis back to back, so it was pretty cool. But there's always a lot of nice cars. Obviously, it's a rental, like a lot of stuff here, but you can rent it for an affordable price, so that's something that's available. All right, so let's go inside and go take a look at the unit. All right, so welcome to the unit. It's a 3-bathroom, 2-bedroom unit down in the best part of the beach. So right away, you have a bathroom right there. And then you have your kitchen, which is over here. You have a fridge, obviously. You have a washing machine, dishwasher, obviously sink, top stove. Pretty good, pretty nice. This is a building built by Imar, so the quality is pretty good. You have a big table here. Nice living room section here. It's actually pretty large. Obviously, you're probably going to spend a lot of time here, so this is something that should be big enough. To be honest, I've actually never sat down here, but I guess you could have someone work here if you really wanted to, or if you wanted to do it. And then here is the money shot, the best view of the water and the beach. So this building is literally known for this view, and the building on its own is a view as well, I guess if you look at it, since it's pretty cool. But you can see literally everything. You can see this is called the Dubai Eye, which it is the biggest and tallest Ferris wheel in the world, which is pretty crazy. A lot of people say it's not moving, but it actually does move at night. Very slowly, it does move. There's some stories behind that, which you can probably watch a video on later. And then over here, you do have your own private beach access. So for example, while we're staying here, we're in the residence section of this building. So this whole section right there is actually reserved for residents. So we can go there and we don't have to pay anything because of course, you know, when you go to some beaches, you have to pay for beach access. Not always, but if you want to get a nice spot, you usually do have to pay. So that's that. Now let's go back in, and side note, the weather is actually still really good. 3 days ago, it was a little bit hot, but now it's actually cooling down quite significantly. So that's good. And then over here are the 2 bedrooms. So each one has their own ensuite bathroom. Both have stand-up showers, and this one has a bath as well. So pretty nice. The first thing I realized when I came in here, I was like, wow, this is actually real. It's not even fake. Like it's so heavy. I wonder who had to bring that up. Whoever had to bring that up has big muscles. But pretty nice bathroom. Nothing crazy, but it's nice. Bedroom is also pretty nice as well. It's nothing crazy, but what you're really getting here is the view. The view is the money maker. It's the money shot. It's why we're in this unit right now. I really enjoy nice views. Let's go over to this second bedroom. So the first bedroom is really the master bedroom. This one is more of like an office. It does have a bed too, but it's more for emergency use if needed. So this is the office right here. This huge thing is what lights up my face whenever I get on calls with people and stuff like that. But this is basically where the work actually gets done. I have a nice chair here. I like to sit down here. And of course, this has an awesome view of literally everything. To point out a few other things, obviously you have a bunch of boats in the water, and there's a beautiful beach, and there's a beautiful huge Ferris wheel. But where that Ferris wheel sits on is actually one of the most expensive plots of land in Dubai itself. It's called Blue Waters Island, and it's super nice, kind of like a resort if you really look at it and think about it. Now, another thing that you can see from here is actually Palm Jumeirah. I'll pop up a video of it while I'm talking about it. But Palm Jumeirah, obviously the man-made island, the first Palm Jumeirah is this one right here. And the reason why I say the first one, because they're building another one, not Palm Jumeirah, but it's Palm Jebel Ali, which will be down that way, which is a good thing for people if you want to invest into the future of Dubai. You can probably make a lot of money in real estate there. But anyway, Palm Jumeirah, there's Atlantis the Royal, Atlantis the Palm, and right now it's a little bit foggy, but if you look far enough, there's also Burj Al Arab. You can see it quite clearly when it's not that foggy. And there's also Imar Beachfront, which is a very popular area for people to buy, and I'm actually considering going there as well. All right, so this is how you get to the private beach. On the left over there, you have one resort, and on the right, you'll also have another resort as well, which is down that way. But essentially, this pathway is how you get to the building. So if you want to turn on, you can show them the building again. This is the pathway we can take, and there's a little gym there if you want to get a quick workout in. And you can only get in there if you have the access card by being a resident in this building. So this is really private. And of course, the beach here is private as well. So you can only, well, I mean, of course you can walk on the beach, nobody's gonna stop you, but the beach beds at least are private. So in order to sit on them or lie down on them, you have to be a resident in this building. All right, so here are the beach beds for the residents. I think there's a little bit more, but anyway, that section right there is all for the residents. And of course, you can walk down the entire beach and go to nice restaurants, clubs even, whatever you want. It's available over there, basically. There's even a really nice mall there as well. But yeah, let's head back into the unit. All right, so do I think this is worth it or not? Because the price point does vary, obviously. If you're gonna rent long-term, this will cost you about $8,000 to $10,000 US dollars per month, which is quite a lot of money, obviously. You can get a lot of things similar in this area for a lot less, but you're paying for, number one, the private beach access, which, if this is important to you, it's great. You're also paying for the best view in JBR, by far, unobstructed view of literally everything. So you're paying for that as well. You're paying to be in a good location. We can literally walk down to all of the restaurants there within 5 minutes. I was having dinner yesterday with a couple of our friends, and they were like, "Where do you live?" I'm like, "I live over there," and it's like 5 minutes away. I just walked here. When, a lot of people usually have to commute a little bit, and whenever there's traffic, that commute is annoying. So you're close to everything, you're in a great area. Now, in addition to that, something that I really find a lot of value in is the networking opportunities that you can get here. Like, you'll get in the elevator and you'll just be around other millionaires and, like, who knows, maybe even more than a millionaire, but usually you'll just be around millionaires, and it's just the standard. So meeting them and being able to network with them, you can definitely make more money or improve your business or your life like that as well. Now, the last thing I want to say too is if you were to rent this on a short-term basis during the high season, this can get up to easily $15,000 per month, like very easily. So yes, I do think it's worth it for $8,000 per month. It's a 2-bedroom. If you have someone that you can stay with, that's even better. You can split the cost. Otherwise, you can take it all yourself, but I still think it is worth paying that even if you are alone. So if you enjoyed this video and you're considering moving to Dubai, but you're not quite sure on exactly what to do if you want to get your business set up in Dubai, don't worry, let us take care of the entire process for you. You can book a call using the link down below. We would be happy to give you a step-by-step guide on how to take your life from wherever you are today to Dubai and start paying 0% in taxes legally.